Hi guys, how are you all today morning? Good morning. Today is 13th January 2023. Yesterday we were talking about a case history to prove that one bird in hand is worth two in the bush. We shall continue with that case history in today's video. This story or case history goes like this. There were two brothers, elder Anil Sharma and the younger Sunil Sharma. They lived in and around a place called Jaipur in the state of Rajasthan in India. Whereas the elder Anil Sharma was a clerk in the municipality of Jaipur, the younger Sunil took care of their family property and lands in the village. 16 years back, Anil Sharma got married to a woman called Swarnalata. 1 year later, they begot a son and they lived happily as a family. However, things were not supposed to be so all the time. One day, Anil Sharma saw Swarnalata's younger sister Dolly, who was extremely beautiful. Anil Sharma fell for her and his evil intentions sprouted up. He fell for the charms of Dolly. The unfortunate part is that Dolly reciprocated his love and lust. Dolly and Anil Sharma continued with their scandalous and clandestine relationship despite the fact that Anil Sharma was Dolly's elder sister's husband. Eventually, Dolly got married to some another person. However, Dolly and Anil Sharma continued with their torrid love affair. One day, both Swarnalata, that is Anil's wife, and the husband of Dolly got wind of this clandestine relationship and both of them protested and revolted against this. While Dolly's husband left her for good, Swarnalata remained with Anil Sharma. Dolly got separated and she came to live with her parents. However, the affair between Dolly and Anil Sharma continued. Meanwhile, an innocent Sunil Sharma, the younger brother of Anil Sharma, was blissfully unaware of the relationship between the elder Anil and Dolly. When he got a wind of the fact that Dolly had been officially separated, he, who was already besotted with Dolly, went to the same Anil Sharma, his elder brother, and requested that person innocently to get himself married to this separated Dolly so that he can have her as his wife. Anil Sharma got extremely upset and angry. He never expected this thing coming from his rustic younger brother Sunil. Anil was so possessive that he became jealous, envious, and angry with his own younger brother Sunil Sharma. A devilish plan cropped up in Anil's already evil mind. He did not want to lose Dolly to anyone else in the world, including his own blood brother Sunil. So, what this man did was that he planned to hit two birds with one stone. He wanted that his own wife Swarnalata should die and that his own younger brother Sunil Sharma should be sentenced to life imprisonment for the murder of Swarnalata. For this, he made a plan. The beauty is that Dolly played along, despite the fact that it was her own sister's life that was at stake. Anil Sharma did not bother about not only his wife Swarnalata but also his own 15-year-old son. What he did was he called Sunil, assured him that he will get Sunil married to Dolly and requested in advance a favor in return. Sunil happily agreed without knowing what was coming. Anil told him, "What you do is you come to my house and make or boil milk for you, Swarnalata, my wife, and my son. Then you mix a lot of sleeping pills in Swarnalata's and my son's milk and feed it to them. After doing this, you go back to the village." Sunil, who was a rustic, simple fellow, could not understand the evil design of Anil. He readily agreed, came to their house, mixed sleeping pills with the milk, and fed it to Swarnalata and her son without understanding the repercussions of this treatment. Then he went back to his village. Meanwhile, unknown to him, both Anil Sharma and Dolly were watching all this through a room in an opposite or nearby hotel. Anil saw that Sunil had completed his job. Anil Sharma and Dolly waited for some time till they were assured that by now Swarnalata and Anil's son would be fast asleep. After that, now that Sunil had gone back to his village, these two, Anil Sharma and Dolly, came back and they forcibly fed sulfax tablet, which is a poison, to the sleepy Swarnalata and her son through another liquid drink. They thus killed both Swarnalata and her son and were happy that they had got rid of these two and now they could live happily ever after. But Sunil spilled the beans and both of them were caught. This proves that when you try to get something which you don't deserve and in that process lose what you already have, a bird in hand is gone and the two birds in the bush don't come to you. That is the Hindi proverb, आधी छोड़ पूरी पे धावे न आधी मिले न पूरी पावे. That is, if you have half and you lust for full, you lose the half and you don't get the full. This is the lesson of this particular story. Kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that I may keep reminding you of my other videos. Till we meet in my next video, it is good morning from TSV Raghavan.